Children, in this video we will see how to check and print all the prime numbers up to a given limit. So for this we have taken a variable n for the limit. We have taken a boolean variable AR and scanner class is defined. We have entered the limit. Now first of all we will be defining this boolean array. We will be initializing, in fact, that is n plus 1. And then we are assuming that from index number 2 up to a given limit, every number is a prime number. So the basic concept is, if ARR of I is holding true, means that that given value is a prime number, and if it is false, then it is not a prime number. Now see the logic for that. We will start a loop from 2 until I into I is less than or equals to I into I is less than or equals to n in I plus plus. And then another loop will go from j is equals to I till j into I is less than or equals to n and j plus plus. And here AR of j into I will become false. And here after that, the prime list is this will go from 2 until I is less than or equals to n and I plus plus. And if AR of I means if AR of I holds true, then immediately we will be printing the value of I. So this is what we have done. Children, suppose we entered here the value 10, which is that, and here 2, 3, 5, 7, these are the prime numbers. And here if its value is 100, then these many prime numbers are there. Now with the help of one example, I would like to explain. Children, suppose you have entered the limit 10. So it means initially false, and then true. These are the values after the very first loop, because from where these values have come. Actually, by default, the booleans by default value is false, so index number is 0 and index number 1 is having the value false. And since we started the loop from 2, so and 2 up to limit, every value I have filled with true. Here T stands for true and F stands for false. And now what I have done, the loop I have started from 2, and here I am checking if it is 2, then here I am checking if it is 2, and then here I am checking if 4 is less than or equals to 10, so it is true. It is true, so this inner loop will start from 2 and it will go, at present it is 4 is less than or equals to 10, which is true. So AR of 4 will become false. Here 2, 3, this will become false. And now j becomes 3. When j becomes 3 and this becomes a 6 and this condition is still true, so what will happen? 4, 5, 6. This index number will also receive false. And now j becomes 4. J becomes 4, this becomes 8. So here this index number also will become false. And then j becomes 5 and this becomes 10. And this index number also becomes false. And after that, inner loop terminates and I becomes 3. I becomes 3. When I becomes 3, this becomes 9, the condition is still true. And j starts from 3. and it is 3 into 3, which is 9. This is true, and AR of 9 also will become false. And after that, J becomes 4. J becomes 4 and this becomes 12. This condition becomes false, loop terminates, and this I becomes 4. When I becomes 4, this becomes 16, and at this moment of time, this outer loop also terminates. So now see what is the status of this array. These are the first two index numbers 0 and 1, so no need to see that. It is index number 2, which is a prime number. It is index number 3, which is a prime number. Index number 4 is not a prime number. Index number 5 is a, here it is true, it means 5 is a prime number. 6 is not a prime number. 7 is a prime number. 8, 9, 10 is a prime number. So it simply means here we are left with prime numbers in this array where true is saved, rest of the values have become false. So actually in this program we are checking if any number is a multiple of any other, that will not be a prime number. This is the logic. So I hope you have understood this concept, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.